Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy Fold, for the first you have to open the Play Store on your Android phone and download application Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. If you do, just open this application on the both smartphones. Tap Agree on your Fold, Allow, and on your Android smartphone tap on the Let's Go. Choose the wireless connection, tap on the OK, and right now it is looking for the Fold, so let's wait a little bit. Tap on the Connect. Okay, and right now we have to swipe up, and if you want to take everything from this Android phone to your Fold, just leave it like that and click on the transfer. But in my case I'm gonna unselect it and I will only go for the 2 or 3 files, and I'm gonna unselect all of these songs. Tap on the League of Legends song, Burn Now, and the circles from the Post Malone, tap on it Done, click on the transfer. Tap on the copy, input your currently logged method on your Android phone, and right now just click on the skip. And it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.